Hi, is it Pontas? Welcome back to the channel. And if this is your first time here, all we do in this channel is we do daily prediction on UK49's launch and tea time, and also any other lottery. So we find the best strategy that will give us the possible numbers to drop on a daily basis. All right. So if it's what you like, consider subscribing, turn on your notifications so that you will never miss my daily tips. Okay, so in today's video we're going to be looking into the session of numbers. I know most of you heard about this session of numbers, but you don't know what session of numbers is or how it can help you improve your daily strategy on UK49s or any other lottery and system out there. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys, I'm going to be breaking it down for you guys to understand how this can also help you on daily basis too. This can give you one or two numbers on daily basis. Okay, so guys, I'm going to be starting. I want this video to be very fast. I'm going to be starting on the third. All right, I'm going to be starting on the third, which is the session. This is the session. All right, session 3, which is on the third. This strategy, this session of numbers, it basically means the date strategy. So on the third, which is the date. All right, so I'm going to start on the third, which is the date of that day. All right, so when you go to the result there, check on the third, you will see that we have 30 dropped. All right, and we also have 3 that dropped on that day, on that date, on this date. All right, which is session 3. So what this is, what this strategy can do for you is this: any date, let's say we are on 24th today, right? We are on 24th today, so we're gonna go into the session of 6. Okay, we're gonna go into the session of 6, which is on the third, which is on the 20 today is 24th, right? So we'll go into the session of 6, which is 2 plus 4, which is 6, which makes this session the session of 6. So we're gonna look into the numbers from the session of 6. All right, so how this strategy work is this: 15 dropped and 24 has dropped. Okay, and today is 24th. Okay, so we're gonna go, if you go into the into the previous result, when you check the previous result, you see that okay, 15 and 24 has dropped. So the next numbers to drop that has not come up there is 33, 42 and 6. All right, as today is 24, so we are looking into the session of 6. I hope you guys really understand this. So this is how this session of numbers can help us. All right, this is how this session of numbers can help us. So the possible numbers to drop on today is 33, 42 and 6. Here is the possible numbers to drop because 15 and 34 has dropped. So this is what you do on daily basis: find the missing number from the date strategy. Okay, find the missing number from the date strategy. That is what it means. Okay, for instance, we have, for instance, yesterday is yesterday was a 5th. On the 5th, which is on the yesterday is 23rd. Sorry, yesterday is 23rd, right? Yesterday is 23, which is the session of 5, because when you do 2 plus 5, which is 20, the 2 plus 5, which is 5, which gives us the session of 5. All right, so when you check the result, you see that we have 14 dropped, which is 1 plus 4, which gives us 5. All right, so this is how these sessions can help you. All right, because when you check the result, you see that 41 has dropped before 14, 32 has dropped before 14, and 5 dropped before 14. So it's left 14 and 23 to drop. And finally, yesterday, which is on the 23, 14 dropped. So it left with 23. Okay, it left 23. So this is how the session of numbers worked. All right, this is how the session of numbers worked, and this is how it can help you guys improve your strategy when it comes to this session of numbers. All right, another thing we're going to look into is this: on the fourth, which is this on the 4th, that is the date on that day, which is on the 4th. When you look around, you will see that on that date we have 40 dropped, which is also uh, the family of 4, which is on that date strategy. Okay, on that date strategy. So this is how this session of numbers can help. All right, this is how this session of numbers can help you improve your daily strategy on this. Okay, I hope you guys understand what I'm talking about. If you have any question concerning this, you can also let me know on the in the comment section. Okay, I'm ready to answer you guys questions in the comment section, so let me know on the comment section any of the questions that you guys have. Okay, so that is that for this one. Okay, so let's go to the previous result. I'm also going to show you guys exactly what I'm talking about. Okay, so this is it. Sorry. So guys, when it comes to this result here, you can see that so when it comes to this result here, you can see from on the 21, right, which is the session of 3. Okay, on the 21, which is the session of 3, which you when you look at the result, you see that we have 3 here, and we also got 30 here, and we got 21 here. Here is the session of 3. As you can see that these numbers drop on that date. Okay, because 2 plus 1 is 3, which gives us the session of 3. Okay, which makes us to go and check the session of 3. 2 plus 1 is 3. So this, as you guys can see from the result on 20, on the 21, all right, on the 21st, which is we have 21, we have 3, and we have 30, which is the session of 3. Okay, I hope you guys really understand this strategy right now. Hope you guys really understand. So on the 22, as you guys can see the date here, on the 22nd, when you check the result there, you will see that we have 40. When you check the session there, you see that we have 40. Okay, which is this session 4, which is this date. All right, because 2 plus 2 is 4, which gives us the session, which gives us session 4. Okay, as when you check, you will see that we have 40. Okay, so this is how this session of numbers work. All right, this is how this session of numbers work, and how it can help you also give you 1 or 2 numbers on daily basis. Okay, so what you will be doing is this. Let's say now we have this session at 21, right? We have 21 as date. Okay, and when you check, we have 21 as date, and when you check, you can say, okay, now 21 is the date, and we are going to the on the date strategy, which is on session 3. All right, which is session 3. So you will check the numbers that has dropped from that session and check the possible numbers to drop further. All right, okay, so that is what I mean by this session. Let's say, okay, let's assume, say, okay, now on this date strategy, you find out that 3 has dropped here, and 30 has dropped here. Okay, and 21 has dropped on this result. Okay, so now we get to this session, which is on 21. Now, since you know that, okay, this one has dropped, this one has dropped, and this one has dropped, so now we have, now you go to the session, you will find out, okay, we also have 12, which is also the session of 3. We have 39, which is also the session of 3, because when you do 3 plus 9, which will give you 12, and 12 is also 3. Okay, that makes this all these numbers session of 3. So what you will do is this. Now you have found out that, okay, 3, 30, and 21 has dropped. Okay, so you will look for the possible numbers that has not dropped on that date. All right, you look for the possible numbers that has not dropped on that date, which is 12, 30, which is 12, and 39, that has not dropped on that day. So you will stick to these numbers on that particular date, which is on 21. So as you guys can see, this is exactly how you can use this session of numbers and how it can help you to improve your chances. All right, so now another example I want to show you guys is this. Now today is on 24th, right? We are on 24th. Okay, we are on the 24th. So now we will be looking into the we will be looking into the session. We will be looking into the session. Sorry, we will be looking at this session 6. All right, we'll be looking at the session 6. Okay, so when you check the session 6 right now, you see that okay, from the previous draw now we have 24. We have 24, which is 6. All right, and we have 15, which is also 6. So when you do 1 plus 5, which gives you 6. So now that we are looking for a possible numbers to draw from the family of 6, now what we need to do is this. Now that you have seen that okay, 24, 15 has dropped, so now we should be looking for 42, 6 and 33 to complete this session. All right, to complete this session of 6. I hope you guys really understand this right now. Okay, so this is what what I want to show you guys. Okay, so this is what I want to show you guys. So another example is this. You can see on the 20 yesterday is 23. Okay, yesterday is 23. So when you look around here, you will see that okay, on the 23 we also have 14 that dropped on the 23. Okay, 14 dropped on the 23, which is also the family the session, which is session 5. All right, which is session 5, because when you do 2 plus 3, which gives you 5, which you look into the session of that date, which is session 5, which will cut the possible number that dropped on T, which is 14. Okay, which is 14. So this is all you need to know about the session of numbers. Okay, this is all you need to know about the session of numbers. Okay, all right guys, so if you like exactly what I'm doing on this channel, on this video, you can give this video a thumbs up and also share this video to get to more audience. Don't forget to leave your comment if you have any question. All right, if you have any question. All right guys, so now I have code for today. But before that I'm gonna say congratulations from the last draw, the last prediction that I gave to you guys. As you can see, we have these numbers. All right, we have from the bankers I gave to you guys last, we have 32, which is the bonus, 32, 7 and 8, which from the bankers I gave to you guys. So if you pair these numbers and make a winning, congratulations to you guys, because here is the numbers that I gave to you guys on that on the 22nd, which is 26 46. I gave you guys 46, 32, 46, 32, 7, 738, 738, 8, 8, 18 and 11. All right, here is the bankers that I gave to you guys on that date. All right, here is the bankers I gave to you guys on the 22nd. Okay, and we have 3 numbers that came out from this our bankers. All right, we got 3 numbers. So if you pair these bankers and got these 3 numbers correctly, congratulations to you guys. All right, congratulations to you guys. Okay, and also from our code, which our code gives us 7, 5. All right, 5, 9, 9, 1. All right, 1, 8, 8, 18, 8, 18, 35, 35, 45, 45, 25, 25, 36, 36 and 16. All right, and 16. So when you check the result, you will see that our code did nothing on lunch time, it only produces 5, which we got 5 here from our code. But on tea time, we have 7 from the code, and here is 7. All right, sorry, we have 7 from the code here, and here is 7. We have 8 from the code that we broke out, and here is 8. And we also have 16. All right, we also have 16. All right, and here is 16. So 3 numbers from our bankers and also 3 numbers from our code. All right, so if you get the correct numbers from this code, if you boom these numbers, I know most of you did because I saw your comment on the comment section. Congratulations to you guys. Congratulations to you guys. All right, so today I also got code to share with you guys and also give you guys my bankers. So all you need to do is to watch all through the video and also pick your numbers along this prediction. Okay, so that's one. All right, that is that one. So guys, on a fast one, our code for today, I have this code for today. Our code for today is 8281. all right, 8281. This is our code for today. So the possible numbers that you can see from this code is we have 8, we have 2, we have 1. All right, we have 1, we have 21, we have 21, we have 21, we have 18. Okay, we have 18 coming from this code, and 16, because 8 plus 8, which is gonna give us 16. All right, which is gonna give us 16. And we also have 12 there. We have 12 there. And when you do plus, when you do 8 plus 2 plus 8 plus 1, which also gives us 19. Okay, which also gives us 19. All right, which also gives us 19. And we also have 28 there. We also have 28. And then when you do 2 plus 8, which gives us 10. Okay, which gives us 10. And which gives us 10. And what number can we get from this code right now? What number can we get from this code? Okay, so guys, so that is it. So this is the numbers, the bankers I have come up with from this code. All right, so you can pair this together and also let's see what the result will produce for today. There is more numbers to come out from the code. You can break it the way you like, or better still, you go with these numbers that I have break out for you guys, and let's see what's gonna what today's result will turn out to be. Okay, so this is what I have from the code on today's draw. Okay, on today's draw. All right, so that is it. That is it there, guys. And also break this code and let me know the numbers you got from this code on the comment section. All right, break the code and let me know which numbers have you come up with from this code in the comment section. All right, so that is it. That is this one from the code. All right, guys, as you guys can see that we have this number here and we have this number here, which will give us 12. Okay, which will give us 12. All right, so that is that one. So we have 16 here, and we have 35 here. So we should be expecting 35 to make a return. Okay, we should be expecting 35 to make a return. All right, should be expecting 35. So we have this number here, and we have 10 there, and we also have 10 here. So we have not forgotten our possible bankers to drop is 23 and 46, guys. 23 and 46. I don't know why these two numbers is being delayed. Okay, but hopefully this one of these number or two of them will drop on today's draw, lunch or tea time. Okay, so that is it. So guys, we have this number here. We have 44 here, we got 8 here, and we have 3 here. These numbers connect to each other, so we should be expecting 39. Okay, to drop, we should be expecting 39. And also check your wheel of fortune and get the numbers from there as well. So we have these two consecutive numbers here, so one of them is likely to drop. Okay, one of them is likely to repeat. Sorry, one of them is likely to repeat. So we have this 31 here, and we have 31 here. Okay, these two numbers, when we do plus, it's gonna give us 62, and when we turn around, we're gonna get 26, and there 31 can also turn to 13. So you can also look into these two numbers. Okay, you can look into these two numbers. So we have 15 here and we have 4 here, so we should be expecting 40 to make a return. Okay, we should be expecting 40 to make a return. So we have 20 here and we have 20 here, so it's likely for 20 to repeat, or they will bring 25. Okay, so that is it. So we have 2 here and we have 29 there. So I don't know what is stopping 38 to drop. 38 is being delayed for some time right now. Okay, so we should look into these numbers. All right, we should look into these numbers. Very, very important. Okay, very, very important. I hope you guys picked these numbers up. Very important. All right, so guys, we have 22 there, and 22 will give us 27. Okay, 22 will give us 27. So what else do we have here? What else do we have here? So guys, that is what we have. So we have this two number here. All right, we have this two number here, so we should be expecting 37 to make a return. Okay, we should be expecting 37 to make a return. All right, so that is it. That is it. So we have 14 here, so we should be expecting 34 to come forward. All right, we should be expecting 34 to come forward. So guys, we have 5 here. We have this two number here, which is 5 and 41. 5 and 41 will reproduce 19 to make a return. Okay, 19 to make a return is very, very important. Okay, it's very, very important. All right, so guys, this is exactly what I have for you guys today. So we can try out these bankers as well and see what the result will turn out to be for today. So I have 46, 23, 46, 23, 32, 32, 39, 32, 39, 32, 39, sorry, 32, 39, 42, 42, 27. All right, 42, 27, 34, 34, and then 30, and then 33. All right, 34 and 33. So guys, here is the bankers that I have got for you guys today. So you can pair these bankers together and also pair the numbers that is coming from the code, or better still, you can break the code the way you like it. All right, so here is the numbers I have come up with on our bankers for today. All right, so don't also forget the code ball, because as you guys can see, numbers has been pulling out from the code ball recently, because these numbers is overdue numbers. All right, these numbers are overdue to drop, and 1128 based on 30, based on 30 there. So these numbers are highly recommended. These numbers, one or two of these numbers will drop on launch or tea time. Okay, so you should take note of that. All right, and so guys, this is exactly what I have for you guys today. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and if you are new here, please kindly subscribe and turn on your notifications. Okay, leave your comments in the comments box there. I will reply to all your comments. All right, so here will be the end of the video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.
Stories like this, make sure you watch 10 Myths About Food You Still Believe. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.